big unit downstairs, and then you have 2 individual units upstairs. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 2,262 square feet. It's listed for $2.2 million. Definitely over your budget.
It sure is.
But each unit here is transiently licensed, so that means you have the capability to rent it out nightly, which adds a lot of value to the property.
Okay, well, that might justify it.
I think you guys are gonna absolutely love it.
Wow.
Oh, this is spacious.
Yeah, look how nice and wide it is.
I love the hardwood floors that come all the way through.
And you're right, too. And look at the size of this room.
This is a great open layout that we wanted. I like all of the French doors out the back.
Bring the outside in, and a dining room set for 8 people. That's a plus.
Kitchen is open to the rest of the house, but I see updates that will probably be needed.
It's a major update.
When we first walked in, it's a
Just
little
wide as a cheap for
Yeah, compared to Milwaukee.
Everything's on a smaller scale here.
Tall ceilings.
It is right almost at the front door, which is kind of an odd location.
And you are right on the street.
Noise might be a concern. Master bath is tiny.
1 sink.
And it looks a little bit dated. I think eventually we would make some updates.
It's got a nice shower, though. Wow. It's kind of a loud color, isn't it?
I like the color,
You do?
but it is definitely again on the small side. It has a queen bed in here, but you're not going to get any bigger bed. The bathroom,
It's almost a twin to the other bathroom.
well, I guess I can use this one and you can use the other one.
You're not enlarging these bathrooms.
They are where they are at.
So these are what rental units are.
Looks like they just freshly painted